Shalom and welcome to Students of Torah. This year is entitled Kiddush Makom Suda Part 2, the connection between the definition of Su'uda in the Sugi of Kiddush Makom Suda and Su'uda regarding the mitzvah of Suda Shabbat. So we learned in the previous shiur that there's 5 possibilities regarding a Suda in the halacha of Kiddush Makom Suda. The Sibol Pshat is like the gra, that it's bread. You have to have a bread meal with your kiddush in order to qualify as a kiddush. Second possibility is wine. That's the Gaon of Chiddush. And Mishnah Berurah says once wine is included, then certainly mizonos would be defined as a suda. The fourth sheet is shilta giborim. Fourth possibility is shilta giborim. That no, any food they eat on Shabbos, you sit down for anything. Now Shabbos gives the chashivut. And then finally, you have the Chiddush of the Chazon Ish. If you subjectively have a meal, that's your meal, that's your diet, then you have made it into a Suda. Those are the possibilities. What's halacha regarding the mitzvah of Suda Shabbos? Do we say that once is defined as a Suda regarding Kiddush Makom Suda, then that's your mitzvah of Suda Shabbos as well? Or is it two separate halachas? So the fact is, it's quite clear in the Shulchan Aruch. In Reish Ayin Dalid, it says Sudazu, Shoshachris, the meal at night and the meal in the morning, Ef Shalasota below pot must be with bread. So therefore it has to be with bread. That's it. What about the fact that just 2 pages earlier in Reish Ayin Gimel, Shulchan Aruch himself mentioned Kiddush Makom Sudi could use wine. And the person would say that would include mizonos as well. So now all of a sudden you're saying a Suda on Shabbos is only bread. So he's obviously not contradicting himself. It's 2 separate halachot. Regarding the halacha of Kiddush b'makom Su'uda, Suda has 1 definition. Okay, there's 1 definition. As the Mishnah Berurah says in the very beginning of Reish Ayin Gimel, when it talks about Kiddush b'makom Suda, why do you have to have Kiddush b'makom Suda? You have to have kiddush in a place where there's oneg. So there, the suda has to be something which is defined as oneg. And there's a lot more leeway, from bread all the way down to a subjective meal of vegetables and fish even possibly. That's one thing. But regarding Suda Shabbos, you have the chiyuv of Suda Shabbos. So not just any form of oneg. It has to be defined as a substantial suda. And a substantial suda is what? Is bread. And therefore, that's what the Shulchan Aruch means when he says that you need to go ahead and have bread. It's Hashem in part 3. Part 3, we'll talk about those who are potter and what exactly the definition of bread is. Shalom.